Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something exciting for all you beauty enthusiasts out there. If you're searching for the best hair wetting spray bottle, look no further because we're diving deep into the features and benefits of the Hula Home Spray Bottle. This is not just any spray bottle. This is a game changer for hairstyling, cleaning, plant care, and even aromatherapy. The Hula Home Spray Bottle has been making waves online, and for good reason. It boasts a 10.1-ounce capacity, which is perfect for all your misting needs. The first thing you'll notice is its elegant black design, which is not only stylish but also functional. One of the standout features of this spray bottle is its continuous fine mist spray. This means that with just 2 pulls of the trigger, you'll get a steady spray that lasts for 1 to 2 seconds. And here's the best part. Even when turned upside down, you can achieve even, complete sprays. This is fantastic for evenly dampening hair without soaking it, making it ideal for your hairstyling routine. Now, let's talk about the trigger. The Hula Home Spray Bottle is designed with a light trigger pull, which is perfect for those of you who might struggle with arthritis or simply want to avoid finger fatigue during extended use. It's all about comfort and ease of use here. Refilling this bottle is a breeze. The unique 180 degrees twist top design allows for quick and easy access. Unlike many competitors, you won't be wasting time unscrewing and fiddling with parts. Just twist, fill, and you're good to go. The versatility of the Hula Home Spray Bottle is truly remarkable. Whether you're misting your hair before styling, refreshing your plants, or even mixing essential oils for a calming atmosphere, this bottle handles it all. The ultra-fine mist means you can cover a larger area with minimal liquid, making it perfect for a variety of applications. Another impressive feature is its leak-proof design. You can spray from any angle without worrying about leaks or drips. This makes it ideal for use in the salon or at home, keeping your countertops clean and tidy. In conclusion, the Hula Home Spray Bottle is an essential tool for anyone looking to elevate their haircare routine or simply streamline their cleaning tasks. With its sleek design, easy refilling, and versatile applications, it's easy to see why it's becoming a favorite among users. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep experimenting with your style.